This groove contains 3 little hi-hat ditties that you're gonna thank me for. You can use them all individually, but I chuck them in one groove because I'm efficient. 3, 4. Nailed it. First time. Don't run, don't panic. I'm going to break it down for you. First of all, we've just got a hand-to-hand 16th note groove, which is where we play 16th notes on the hi-hat. Right, left. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. 2 and 4 will be a right hand, and that will come down to the snare drum. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Magic. Backbeat. Now, before we add all the fancy twiddly diddlies that are happening on the hi-hat, we're going to just focus on the bass drum pattern, which goes 1 3 It will fall with the first right and the last left of 1 and 3. So 1 E and 2, 3 4, 1 2 3 4. And that all by itself is a very valid, cool sounding groove. But we're trying to make you a professional here. We want to wow the socks off people. So here's what you got to do. We've actually got 3 little Ds going on here. I know, don't tell anybody. We're going to just focus on the hi-hat. Forget about literally everything else I just told you. First beat, we've got a little 30-second note ditty. Right, left, right, left. That's your first beat done. And then on 2, we come down for the snare drum. Get that loop in. That's already a life changer. But next level up from that, we're going to add accents on the of 2, which will fall in the left hand, and also the E of 3. And you've got to make sure that most of what you're playing, if it's not an accent, is falling with the tip of the stick on top of the hi-hat, because then we get the definition when we go for accents on the edge. So we get 1 2 E 4. 1 2 E 4. Woof. If you get the definition on that, it's going to sound rad. Last step is we're going to add an open hi-hat at the very end on the of 4. Again, all of these little things are so cool to add to your grooves on their own, so we may as well put them all in one groove. Why not? When we get to this open hi-hat, it will fall with the left, and you want this to sound clean, so make sure the hi-hat shuts on 1. 1 E 4 1 2 E 4 Now the fun part comes. Putting it all together. I can't really step you through it. It just takes a bit of time. Take it slow. Make sure everything's happening as it should. Get the groove, the core groove sounding good first, then gradually add the bells and whistles. I suggest you start with 1 bit at a time. Work through it slowly. Have a great day.